Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to obtain a video from webcam by using Opencv and Python. Okay, first we have to import a CV2 module. If you want to install this module, go to command prompt, type cmd and use this command to install Opencv in your system. Shows requirement already satisfied because I already installed that. Okay, now okay. This line is used to capture the video. If you are using webcam, then give 0 here. If you are using any other webcam by connecting USB means give 1 here. Okay, now I am using webcam, so I am going to give 0. Okay, so this line is used to read the videos by frame. Okay, then I am going to display that video. And this one, if cv2.wait key 1 equal to 27 means if you are pressing escape key means, so the ASCII value of the escape key will be 27. So if you are pressing escape key means the camera will be closed. That's all about the program. Now I'm going to run this program. So it will show the video in a colored format. Okay. Thanks for watching.